crafting family. I hope everyone is doing great today and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. I hauled this kit from the 99-cent only store and I thought I'd show you what I made with it. So this is all I have left is one yellow felt egg, and I'll show you in a second what I made. So I have used everything. I actually didn't even open this package, and I probably should have, but I didn't. I used a lot of they had like felt rickrack. So I used some of those, and I still had a few left over, but I saved them because I can use them on another project. I used some of their circles, and I used all of the flowers. So this is all I have left, guys. This was the Happy Easter DIY egg decorating kit, and it had 32 eggs in there, 32 felt eggs, and these were the colors that were included. So let me show you what I made with this, guys. I was so excited because I don't normally sew, but I made some Easter egg ornaments, I guess. They have a little tie on the top, and they're all just a little bit different. And what I did was sew two of them together. I stuffed it with some fiberfill, and I decorated the front. Isn't that cute? I just felt like it screamed for buttons for some reason. I guess because it's hand sewn, I don't know, but I made a few of them, and they're all, you know, just a little bit different. Here are those, and here are these. Some of them have flowers, some of them just have the little felt flowers from the kit. They all have a button somewhere. All of them have a button somewhere, and I made a few of them, and I was so, this one has this cute little fly button on there. That is so cute. It was in my button stash, so I went ahead and used it. And this one has a butterfly. It was in my button stash. It's not a button, but yeah, I used it. So let me show you what else I made. I made one other thing, and if you saw my video for the egg-shaped box, let me show you what I made. I was so excited. I took one of the smaller dies and I made a small box. And here's the way I made the box. You know, I just decorated it with, and here's more of that felt rickrack. This is a sticker from the Welcome Easter, the Echo Park Welcome Easter. This is a chipboard piece. And inside this little box is, yes, a little ornament. Oh my gosh, I thought that was so adorable. And I made it in the same way that I made the larger box, except I did do, instead of making the top wall shorter, I made it the same size as this. So they're both 2 inches. And if I make another one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the shorter wall, just because it's easier to open. With a shorter wall, you have somewhere to grip to grab the bottom. But still, overall, I am so excited about how it turned out. And this just holds an egg, and I close it up, and there we go. It's so cute. I mean, I can use it for, you know, other goodies as well, but it holds an egg, guys. And there is the bottom of my box. And I made it, like I said, the exact same way. The only difference is this 2 inches, this is 2 inches. Next time I will cut this down a little bit more, probably about a quarter, maybe even a ½ inch. But yeah, I was a busy beaver, let me tell you. I was busy making all of these ornaments. I just love the way they turned out. They're all just a little bit different, and love the colors. Yeah, so there you go, guys. That's another little something that you can do with that kit. It's $1 for the kit, and you can make you can make 16 of them with the kit. So there you go. Or just use it for, you know, I'm going to decorate this one and use it as an embellishment. But there we go, guys. I hope you have enjoyed my short video on my project share and what you can do with those felt eggs. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. We will talk to everyone later. Have a great day, guys. Thanks a lot.